Hello and welcome to another ADHD Customs. In today's episode I was going to be replacing the front ball joints on my B3 Passat. They were supposed to be Meyle HD ones.
Reinforced and optimized design and high-quality materials make Meyle HD parts more durable and reliable. As a result, they simply last longer and often outperform OE parts. Meyle HD, with 4-year guarantee. Simply impressive.
But the eBay seller sent me Meyle Original. Cut my losses, I'll just use these until I realised, see how it's flat and that's at a right angle, and that's one that you meant to have a pin in. Check out my B3. This is how my B3 ones are. They go at an angle, and they're bolt top ones. They are bolt top. So these hubs must be from something else, but what are these hubs from, and what are these ball joints from? Because I know this car is a bit of a Frankenstein to get the PD150 in, but what vehicle? How am I even supposed to know what vehicle this hub's from? That's at a complete angle. Yeah. How am I supposed to sort that out? I don't really know what to do. I've got to figure out what hub that's from. Shit. This ball joint isn't bad. I just wanted to replace them because I like to put new stuff on my vehicles, but now it's left me with a dilemma. What is this front hub from? Bugger. Okay, after doing a lot of looking around and figuring stuff out, I've just figured out, after looking back at information when I bought the car, the front hubs on this are from a Polo 9N2. As you can see here, these are the Polo 9N2 ball joints. If you look, you can see that they go up at the angle that I was talking about, the same angle that mine go up at. So these are the ones I'm going to have to get hold of. So yeah, my mistake. Yeah, that was a waste of money on B3 Passat front ball joints. But the ball joints ain't gone, but yeah, it is what it is, isn't it? We learn by our mistakes. So oh well.